In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings and all of the products connected to your subscription. Click on your profile and from there, choose My Products. This section shows everything you currently have with GoDaddy, so it's the main place to go when you want to manage your website. Next, find your website product in the list and click Website. After that, select Manage. This will take you into the management area for that specific site, where you can access editing tools and make changes to your content. Once you're there, click Edit Website to open the Website Builder editor. Give it a moment to load fully so all editing options appear correctly. Inside the editor, click Website. This opens the area where you can manage your site structure, including your existing pages and navigation settings. Now, look for the plus icon and click it. The plus icon is used to add something new, and in this case, it's how you begin creating another page for your website. After clicking the plus icon, select New Page. This opens the page creation panel. You'll now be asked to enter a page title. Type in the name you want visitors to see, such as a service name, contact page, or any other section you want to add. Try to choose a title that is clear and easy to understand, since this helps visitors move around your site more easily. Next, enable Show in Navigation if you want this page to appear in your website's menu. This is the best option if the page is meant to be publicly accessible and easy for visitors to find. You can also toggle on Private Page if you want to restrict access. That setting is useful for content that should only be viewed by selected users or kept out of the public navigation experience. Once everything looks good and your settings are the way you want them, click Create Page. Your new page will then be added to your website, and from there you can start customizing it with text, images, and any other content you need. And that's it. That's how to add a page in GoDaddy Website Builder.